1967 Pontiac Lemans two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Great body style. Underneath the hood, 428 V8 YH block. That is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, equipped with power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. Of course, the stacked headlights. That iconic Pontiac grille up front here. Now, as far as paint, you can see paint shows its age some, a little tired. To me, this is one of those cars. Drive it the way it is, have some fun with it, or maybe you want to take it to the next level. Either way, definitely a fun car to drive. Jason will take it for a drive at the end of this video, show you how it goes down the road. Still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. And this is kind of what you see around the car. There might be a scratch, a little bit of a ding here or there. And check out the still pictures. I tried to document a lot of them in there. It's riding on the chrome wheels, Firestone Affinity radials. Technician noted date codes, I believe, were 2015 on those, so tires will need some attention here in the near future. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Has had a repaint to this kind of dark blue. Original color of the interior is parchment, so vinyl bench seat. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Ivory or white vinyl top. Tech also noted that passenger rear window in op. I believe it was a regulator that it will need. So like I said, it's one of those cars, drive it the way it is or take it to the next level. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's take a look at the chrome and the rear bumper. And again, you can see some spots, there's imperfections in the paint. Make sure you're aware of those. And once again, still pictures, look in the trunk. You'll see the still pictures of the trunk. Look underneath the hood, look underneath the car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Tech also noted the brakes are 100% in the front, 90% in the rear. There's some seepage underneath the car. This car has been driven. Pretty common, you're gonna see that. If you like this body style, of course the GTO also in the same body style in 66 and 67. Chevelles. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or, of course, right off our showroom floor. Take a little closer look down this driver's side. Notice it did look like it had GTO door panels have been installed in it. So parchment vinyl. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Peek at the top of the dash. Wipers did work. Aftermarket gauge cluster down below. The dash did not have the radio fire up. Did not power up on that. Sounds good. A little rumble coming out of that 428. A little low idle. Go ahead and slip up to the front, take a peek underneath this hood, then we'll wrap up this walk around video. And like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look underneath the hood and engine bay. So once again, 428, power steering, Edelbrock 4-barrel sitting on that. Turbo Hydromatic 400. one of those cars, get in and drive it the way it is, or take it to the next level. And this is one of those you can get in. I mean, for a 67 Pontiac Lemans, it's priced accordingly. You can get into this car without breaking the bank. You look at what some of the GTOs go for. All right, once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Pontiac Lemans, a very strong running Lemans, as you'll see. Now the turn signal indicators on this one, they work, but they don't click into place. They both work. The automatic shift selector is off by one click, so you put it in low to be in drive. But it's a great runner, and let's go see how she does on the road. By the pole, this gets up to speed very quickly. A nice running car. Down below, some different looking gauges. Very cool gauges. The oil pressure showing almost 80. The volts showing 14.5, which is good. And the temperature, approximately 160. That's all looking good right down here. The blower motor works right here, and the wipers also work on this car. Factory horn is functional. There's a couple dings in the glass. A scrape over here from the wiper on the passenger side. For the most part, very original looking car. Maintaining a lot of its original pieces. Bench seat car. The Le Mans, kind of the little brother or the less popular brother to the GTO. Although one could argue they probably sold more Le Mans. Did they? Brakes feel good. No strange noises or issues. Corners well. Power steering, very easy to steer. There it is again. There's a lot of power in this car. A little bit surprising. Makes it more fun. Our gas gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. We do have the clock. I don't see it ticking, but it is a rally clock equipped. Take a look at all the pictures of this Pontiac Lemans at uniqueclassiccars.com.